this one inside. Oh yes, you can see this is a shopping cart in blue color and I really like this. You can see this is made from craft and this craft is made by Iqra. Let's go! Oh my god, wow! First page is of vegetables and fruits. First of all, I want bananas. And there they are. Oh yeah, there. And then I want some pineapples, as you can see in my list. I will insert them in my shopping cart. And then I want, oh yeah, I want a bunch. I want tomatoes. They're so fresh over here. I never saw so fresh fruits and vegetables ever. Okay, now we want some cauliflower. And I want for my salad. Oh dear, thank you. Oh, it's so full. I always like this. Oh, now we want some, apples. There they are. Apples, I really love them. Then I think we have something less that is cookies.